Hi, welcome to SANJET service video. Today we are going to repair motor and reducer from Armless tool magazine. You need the following tool to complete the service: external circlip pliers, long nose pliers, screwdriver, 7mm nut drivers, a set of hasky, and some lubrication grease. Before taking any action, make sure power supply switch off to ensure personal safety. First, remove motor junction box cover and input power connection. Remove input power cable from motor. First, loosen set screw from sensor block. Remove circlip and sensor block. Make sure to remove position pin. Remove circlip. Remove tool counting sensor and pipe clamp carefully. Unscrew fixed arm. Take out driven component from shaft carefully. Remove fixed arm screw from reducer. Screw fixed arm on new driven component. Apply a light layer of lubrication grease on shaft. Assemble new driven component and screw down fixed arm bolt. Remove motor junction box cover. Put input power cable in nylon cable gland on motor junction box. Tighten nylon cable gland. Connect UVW by corresponding voltage. And screw down motor junction box cover. Install circlip. Put on position pin. Then put in sensor block. Install circlip. Tighten the set screw. Screw back sensor and check sensing distance 1.5 mm. Screw back pipe clamp. Test run and check if everything do well. This is driven component service video. We hope this video will help you understand more about Armless type tool magazine service. If you need to order part, please send us an email. Don't forget to visit SANJET website and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.